Okay, Satyam, now we will just try and review your responses on the TAT that you have given. Okay, what I have found around there, two things very clear. There's a tendency for you to know to show off. That that has to be cut. Second thing is that you still tends to be more individualistic, looking after yourself and the people in and around. That's the overall feeling which I've got it. Thirdly, you would like to be in the center of attraction. That extrovert type, you would like other people organize picnic things around there. So you would like to be in the center of attraction. That is you are trying to you are putting a false image for yourself. I'm telling you very, very clearly around there. It's a false image. Inwardly, you seem to be in a lot of anxiety, but outwardly, you seem to be, on a very, what is that, cool, composed, and a person who is doing well for himself. Okay. There is nothing wrong with you. You have got motivation, but that motivation will have to convert it into the real happening. And that has to, and secondly, you are far removed from the practical intelligence, I call it practical sense. Practical sense. Probably, no, you have remained in a good school, you have remained outside around there. So you get removed, far removed from the
Real.
ground realities. Okay, that's the overall Prante. But as we proceed, we'll just try and see what all thing you have written. We'll try and aim is not to put you off front. The aim is again, I have tried to uh, put in effort in the sense that what is really should be there? What are your needs? What are your uh, press which creates a problem for you? And what are the difference making you using it? And we'll have time and analyze one quality because we'll not find time to do all quality for all the 12 stories. Okay. So let's analyze the first story itself.
So should I read it, sir?
Okay. No, this is the first story, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Read out your story.
Sir Rajesh 24 was a student who resided with his family in small village of Kalga, Himachal Pradesh. He used to help his single mother in all daily chores and outside procurements. One day, his mother fell seriously ill with viral fever. It was windy outside, and the weather department had announced an expected storm. Rajesh did not care about the reports, climbed downhill, went to the dispensary, stated the problem, took efficient medicines, and came back. Gave mother medicines in time while carrying her daily medicines, and with proper diet, she started to recover. Her mother was fit as a fiddle in a
Okay.
week's time.
Now, look at the two words that I have sent. One is single mother. What that indicate? What does that indicate? There's some sort of problem you've got with your father.
But sir, reality.
Uh, Forget about reality. I'm not talking about reality. I'm looking at what I'm.
What I
Once you're given a PIQ, you've got father and mother, and you're talking about a single mother. So there is certain, you may be mother, you may be father, I do not know what is there. But there's certain amount of outreach when you talk about the talk. There's certain amount of curtain between the parents that is confirmed. That curtain is what extent curtain that I will not know. But there is a curtain. You may be trying to very nice as you say. I take my family to picnic and all sort of thing. So that's a show. You are trying to outwardly trying to show that I care a lot about you, but inwardly, if the real help to any person has to be in a real sense. Real sense. You would have probably written somewhere around there as you go ahead. You'll find that you tell, I take my family to outside when they can go water and that. So that is again show business. Second thing now, you've written a very good word as a fiddle, means as fit as anything. That indicates you've got a flair for good thing. That indicates that you have got a bit of control on the language. So you read, that's a goodness. That's a goodness. You must have seen I've written in the green. And the green. Okay. Now the problem comes up when a mother falls sick. Would you like to go to the dispensary or would you like to go to a doctor?
Doctor, sir.
Where have you gone?
Dispensary, sir.
Dispensary. Now, if your mother is sick, have you got any option other than to look after her?
No, sir.
So now this particular hesitation that you have shown that there is a there is a weather is not good, still I'm going. So you are trying to do a favor to your mother, isn't it? Are you doing a favor to her mother or not? No, look at it. I said I read what you write. So
Yeah.
until you have to change your thought process. Satyam, the main problem is you have to change your nothing wrong with you. First and foremost, you are putting up a false face. Remove that, break that. You have got a persona who's showing to others what you are is a difference. There's a difference between the two, ideal self and real self. In reality, you are different, but your projection is different. Projection is
Different.
Thirdly, now, so the first and foremost, there is certain amount of hesitation in going course. Otherwise, there is nothing wrong there. Going and getting a medicine, is it a great job?
No, sir.
So now, is it a story or it is an incidence? One time. Is it a story?
It's a one time.
Describe an event. It's
Yes,
an
sir.
event. Is it or not?
Incident.
Is it event or not?
Yes, sir.
So if it's event, what are you expected? You are expected to write a story. Expect to write a story. And you go across most of the time you're trying to show your need. What do you need? You want to affiliation is your need. Affiliation need. You would like to be affiliated with the people, associated with the people in and around. In and around. You would like to have company, you would like to there. Secondly, since you have gone across looking after mother, that shows you've got a nurturance that you would like to help and assist anyone. That is your nature. You would have found yourself, you find yourself, you would have gone on, helped out so many people in your college itself, isn't it? So that's
Yes.
a nurturance. That's a nurturance. What is the press? What prevents you from the system? In this case, there was uncongenial environment, right? And secondly, now that is a physical danger of going out in storm that has taken your, no, you have stayed back. Physical danger. It
Yes.
means that gives a certain amount of doubts into me, doubt into my mind. Would you really take a risk or not? The risk-taking capability gets compromised to that extent. Okay, next. Now let's take only one quality. That is your first quality, what is effective intelligence. What is effective intelligence? Use intelligence to find a solution to day-to-day problem. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
It has got three components. Now that we will not talk about the components that in any case you would have known about it. That the practical sense, that it has to be practical possible. Second, it has to be resourceful, that you are able to find a solution. And then you should be thinking out of the box to find a solution. Okay. This story is a cakewalk story, very simple cakewalk where I cut a cake, you put a knife, it cuts, isn't it? It's a simple story. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Clarity, yes, you want to solve the problem, fair enough. Problem, definitely you have defined there's a problem, mother is sick. Okay. Success, yes, but it's self-oriented. Who have you cared for? Your mother. Have you got any option? You've got no option. Okay, next. Time utilization, more details needed, probably you can give it more. Giving medicine is a being ailing mother is duty of a son, is duty of a so
Son.
nothing great you have done. Yes or no? Okay. Now let's go back to we talked about two things. Let's define those. Okay. Okay. Now let's hold it. I think there's a certain amount of okay. Read it.
Rohan 22, the final year student and the basketball team captain of his college team, was preparing for the upcoming inter-college basketball tournament. He had made the team out of the best men from the college. They were all practicing hard every day systematically. Until one day, Rohan got a hairline fracture while guarding an ankle breaker move. He consulted the physiotherapist and got the important medicines and took proper rest while motivating others from outside the court itself. After following the recovery plan suggested by doctors, recovered instantly and went on to play the tournament. The team performed exceptionally well and they also won the tournament.
Okay, now look, what is the problem? Who's the hero? You are going to use that shows that you have got certain interest in games and sports. You understand? Sports.
Yes.
Fair enough. There's nothing wrong. Now the problem is what? You yourself has got hurt, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Who told you there was need for her getting hurt? Has anyone, does the story talks about it? Anything, anywhere? Picture? No.
No, sir.
So what made it so? It's a word is rationalization. You have got a logic for it. So your need in this case is play. You would like to play, but nothing wrong. It's good need. Okay. Press is you've got a physical injury that has created a problem. Defense is undoing. Now you know you have your mentally and heart from heart you're feeling that I have already done something wrong by not playing. By not playing, you are trying to compensate for the mental torture that you are going through for not playing the team. You said I have become okay and I'm playing. Now, if it is a hairline crack or hairline fracture, would it take minimum 3 weeks or not?
Yes, sir.
So can you play at that time?
No, sir.
So what answer you've given it, is it practical?
No, sir.
So you are just trying to just overcompensate for the whatever mistake that has been done. So you feel no, because of me, team will not winning around there. I'm one of the player which here I go around, and you are trying to compensate by doing what here? You are motivating him from outside. Okay. So except for motivating your team, have you taken any other action?
No, sir.
What you have done now, you have gone to doctor for your own benefit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anything beyond that? And now say मेरे पैर टूटा हुआ तभी मैं खेला गेम खेला. That's the only thing that you're going to do. Anything beyond that? No.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk to listening ability. Receptivity. Yes, you understood what is the problem. There is a boy sitting on there. You have received that. Logical conclusion. No. It's illogical. It's illogical. Again, it's an event. It's a one-time event. It's a one-time event that you are playing. Again, it's not a story. So I can't call it a story right real time, but it's okay. I take it around there. Logical conclusion, no. Inquiring curiosity, exit, no. Can he give point for against? Why do you get no? Yes, again. Can he understand the problem? They are the questions which you have to ask in each and story to show its presence. Is there any background for his conclusion? Is he making? There is no background. How could you become okay within a matter of day or 2 or 3? By taking medicine, you've got a fracture, headline fracture. You also telling, I'm not telling you. Can you play that way? Tell me yourself.
No, sir.
And that way, basketball very suppose you have to keep running on. So illogical, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any background? So again, all points for this, they are reasons for it. They say instantly went to play. And doctor recovered instantly. It is not magic. It is not magic. Can you magic?
No, sir.
So you are trying to wishful. Sapna dekh rahe ho. No. So what is the play? Read the definition of play.
To act for fun and without a purpose other than amusement.
The game to इसे होता है amusement के लिए बात सकते हैं. आप you have fun for okay, fair enough. So they call it merry, easy going. It is made for sports, dancing, drinking, called clowning. Or the other. This is how the definition of this is your need. This is your need. What is the press? It's a physical injury. Hero is hurt by human aggressor or by cabin, collision or fall. What is happening? There is an injury. What is your defense mechanism? Undoing. Read this.
When another person tries to clarify a statement made by the subject says things like, well, not really, not exactly.
So you are saying I'm not incapable. Can still play. I can still play, isn't it? आगे चलो.
followed by qualifications that do not clearly clarify things, because the subject is wearing of committing him or
The
herself.
very means you are hesitant to commit to something. It is not there. Subject respondent describes some of his or her action, which are followed by actions that are of the opposite. You couldn't play. Now you say you are playing. Is it opposite or not?
Yes, sir.
You have come out from the team because you got hurt. Now suddenly you say, I'm going to play. I'm going to play. So what is it? The subject respondent describes some of his or her action, which are followed by actions that are of the opposite intent. As if every action must be balanced. Since you are getting, emotionally you are feeling charged up on, they say, okay, let me compensate for it. Okay. Subject is aware of the contradiction which may seem vexing or ironic. Subject prefaces a strong statement about topic with a discourse. Okay. Subject conveys opinion. That's it. After the subject has done something that probably results in a feeling of guilt or shame, the subject makes an act of reparation. This is what you're trying to do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what is the next one. This is okay. Read the next one. This is the picture. Read it.
Aman, the newly posted SI at Munirka Thana, Delhi, was confused to see the increasing number of road accidents taking place in area, even though the roads are well built and all signals working. He started probing about the probable causes and urged people to follow traffic rules promptly through digital means. He also visited the biggest garage of the locality and persuaded the owner, Radhe, to oil up and vent the brakes and ABS anti-braking system of both 2 and 4 wheelers to provide basic servicing to vehicles in the locality at bare minimum prices. Aman convinced Radhe to join this cause, as this led to decrease in the number of road accidents
Okay.
in the
Now
area.
just tell me one thing. Who is confused? Is the hero.
Yes, sir.
It is not the police officer. You do not know what the solution lies. You want to become an officer and you become sub-inspector. You become a
Sub-inspector.
see, aim is low, first and foremost. Second, now you're confused. You do not know what the solution is. Now it is increasing accident is there. He says, you said not following rules very enough. So they say area even though accident taking when the roads are well built and also but he started probing and urged people to follow traffic rules promptly through digital means. This digital means has not come once, you have come back at least 12 stories, you have got twice or thrice you come back, we'll see that again you have come back again, digital means. So this is a buzzword is created, you're just stuck to that. Now, following a traffic rule, they are doing it. What else people can do? What can the probable reasons of accident? Rash
Sir,
driving.
carelessness.
Rash driving, is it or not? So what is that? Implementation. How can Radhe help? He has visited the biggest garage. Is there only one garage which is going to handle all the traffic in Munirka?
No, sir.
Munirka is a big place. Can only how many thousands of vehicles are there? Do you think only Radhe's garage is only going to handle that?
No, sir.
If that is the case around there, your basic thinking that one, it is gone astray. And what is he going to do? You are using again, you are trying to show off. Radhe is to oil up and vent the brakes and ABS system. What you are trying to show your knowledge, which is wrong. As I said, you can't show up, you be practical on the ground. Is it going to solve the problem?
No.
He is charging money and can you tell him no, पैसा तुम नहीं लेगा? नहीं लेगा, उसको भी फ्री का काम करेगा ना, तुम दे दोगे पैसा उसको, भेज दो प्रॉब्लम. देखो ऐसा है, you're just one, you're not being practical. You remain in Delhi, you have been there around there, and that you are in the same Munirka area in JNU, and you're writing this sort of thing. Convince others join. So it could have been no campaign for the road accident prevention. There could have been so many other things could have been there. Isn't there a campaign for that? They're checking out the vehicle, witness of the vehicle, all the factors are there available. Compensation. So many other factors are there.
The background में वो जो पुली लगी हुई है उसको देख के it just giving a sense कि garage का
I say you, Satyam, my aim is to put you in a dock. How would I know that what is your preference? Now, this shows the personality. What you are confused. You do not know what the answer is. You will not say it means your reasoning ability and all the effective intelligence reasoning ability is gone. If these two things are not there, you are giving a solution which is cockeyed. So as it now, resourceful, with the organizability, resourceful, no, you have not used anything around there. Essence and practical, but no, you don't know what the problems are. Practical use, no. Organizing, no. Get some idea to solve the problem, lacks practical sense. Details included, complaint, no. So everything gone. How do you expect to pass this way? Now, what do you need? Understanding. Needy, you want to understand what is the reason for accident, isn't it? That's the need. What is the place? You being a police officer, it is a duty to ensure there no accident take place. So it's called imposed task. And what is defense mechanism? You are thinking some autistic fantasy. या आराम से सपना देखो, इसको बोलूंगा तो काम हो जाएगा. जैसे बोलता है ना, चिड़िया बोला, ये बोलता है ना, उड़कर लेकर जाना, पूरा काम, मेरा मैसेज वहां पहुंचा देना, ये काम करते हैं ना. दैट इज व्हाट इज दैट. वो हुआ करता है ना, वो दैट इज खुलजा सिमसिम, वही हालत तुम्हारा है. खुलजा सिमसिम करेगा, करते वो खुलजा सिमसिम. Okay. Read this. Understanding.
Sir,
Understanding is striving for knowledge or wisdom. This is what you're trying to understand, to attempt to understand the relationship between one object or even another. So in this case, the accident thing, you want to understand why this imposed task, he being a hero, heroine is given something to do because he is entitled, is supposed to ensure there's no accident takes place in his area. So that is supposed to be imposed task. And Tolstoy fancy, the subject has repetitive or serial daydream to which he or she retreats in lieu of real life and relationship. You are finding a solution which is not possible. Rather, is not going to help you. Now you're going to do what you call that campaign on your digital media. Subject daydream a lot, not in a way that leads to creative planning or action, but simply for its own gratification in lieu of action. So now, आपने बोला मैंने एक्शन ले लिया जी, क्या एक्शन है जो पॉसिबल नहीं है? Whenever he brings self-assert, so this is the defense mechanism. Okay. Now next, read the next one.
After having studied for past 1 year for the written examination and preparing for SSB, Jatin was finally recommended from 1 AFSB Dehradun. He therefore got his medicals done, attempted the college exams meticulously, and secured degree. He every day waited for his joining letter outside his home. Finally, that day arrived when he saw the postman by his house and handed him over the letter. He was happy. He showed the letter to father and family. He procured and packed all the things as instructed and got all the documents and papers signed before the due dates. On the reporting day, his family accompanied him to Hyderabad and Jatin started his training.
Now the problem comes about. Again, sapna dekhna. What is finally? Why use the word finally?
Because sir, he was.
You are not at all sure of yourself. You are not sure of yourself.
Self.
Actually, I'm not bothered with the full story. I want one word to tell me what is intent is. So now you finally. So what is now second captain? You want what you need, your achievement. You want to achieve something. Very good. Nothing. What is the press? When you do well, your father and mother will be happy. Father and mother will be happy. So that's the press. That's the press. Now, what is your defense mechanism? It is idealization of self-image. Idealization of
self-image.
अपनी image को this पर idealization of self-image. Now, let's say I'm taking one of the quality, social adaptability. Social adaptability. Does it talk about other person? You are talking about self. Yes or no?
Yes.
Second, is his attitude friendly or critical? Not understood. Nothing comes out from there. Does he adapt to social environment? I do not know. Does he adapt to the person and social group? Yes, probably only to a father and mother. That is what you're trying to show. Attitude towards others, poorly. Tact, not evident. Adaptability, not evident. Social intelligence, yes, you are taking consideration of your father and mother, that's okay. Homesickness, not understood. Interpersonal relationship, good, probably you probably seem to be having, ठीक है, चलो, माँ बाप खुश हो गया. Strong likes and dislikes, no adjustment life. So they are the parameters which you check back each qualities. Okay, now let's talk about your what we talked about. Three needs. Three needs. Read it. Achievement. To work toward a goal, energy, persistence. So that's good. Need is good. There's nothing wrong with the need. Now, what is press? Press is on. Is
Idea.
associative. It is a hero has one or more friends or associable company. In this case, your mother and father. A person with whom, as a parent, sibling, and all, you are trying to. So this is your press. You want to. If you don't do well, your mother and father people will be unhappy. Will be unhappy. So that is you want to do something to make them happy. That's why they are accompanying you to the academy, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
next problem. What is it? It's called idealization of self-image. Idealize self. Read all this complete thing. Just do something irrelevant. Read it.
When confronted with negative aspects of him or herself, the subject appears to downplay or ignore them by substituting talk about positive self attributes instead.
First, you are taking, finally, I have made it. Finally, you have made it. Finally, you have
Made
made
it.
it. Now you come back, yeah, I have made it. I have
Made
made it.
it.
आगे चलो.
The subject makes references to how important he or she is with an emphasis of self image.
Now, what you are saying, work, I have made it. I have, so don't you are trying to import it, work, I have become an officer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
आगे चलो.
Rather than real accomplishments which might make the person important to the others. The subject tells stories in which others are saying positive things about him or herself.
Okay.
The subject takes pleasure in referring a lot to his or her own positive but superficial attributes like being beautiful, lovable, smart, well dressed, worthy, a center of attention. This may be true even if the subject.
So you are trying to, what I'm trying to say, you are trying to idealize your image, That is the difference again. Okay. Read the next one.
Sir, Ajay was the captain of our cargo ship of Anglo-Eastern Maritime Private Limited. He was assigned with 12,000 kgs of cargo that was to reach Europe, crossing the Horn of Africa and Suez Canal. While he had everything planned and under control, while crossing Somalia, the ship was faced with a pirate crew, which demanded the cargo and other valuables on a gunpoint led by a woman. Ajay remained calm, informed the Indian Coast Guard and the Navy, got into negotiations with the female leader, negotiated a deal which did not affect either side. By the time Indian Navy and Coast Guards had already made arrangements for the pirates' arrest, Ajay was happy to have delivered the consignments on time.
Very good. Now, what I do? Okay. What is this?
Got into negotiations with their female leader.
Why? Why a female leader?
Because that picture is showing female, sir.
That's pictures. I'm not. It's your story, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You have picked it from the paper and you've written a story. Cut and paste. Is it cut and paste or not?
Cut and paste as in, sir?
अरे कहानी डेली स्वेज कनाल में होता है, उसी को उठाकर आपने कहानी लिखी हो ना यार.
हाँ हाँ सर.
तो आपकी कहानी क्या? वेयर इज ओरिजिनलिटी? वेयर इज योर पर्सनालिटी? What have you done? You have surrendered to the people you would like. So when you become an officer, you will sell yourself. Compromise करेगा. तू मेरे से आ जा, चाहे तू मेरे बॉर्डर आ जा, मैं तेरे बैठा, तू भी आराम से, मैं भी आराम से बैठूंगा. You would compromise, and you would have been compromising your life. Secondly, the word you have taken, Anglo-Indian, what is that? What is that? Anglo-Eastern Maritime Private. You must have in your school college ये बंदा आया होगा तुमको बनाने की, मरीन इंजीनियरिंग करवाने के लिए. उसके साथ तुम you just get into it. You would have also tried to think about it, marine में join करूंगा. That is the whole thing. Come back. Your past has taken. I see your old experience are coming into fore here. I know this stuff. Don't worry. So the problem comes up. Your past experiences are stored, and you try and put को stew लगा के as a stereotype लगा के तब बहुत अच्छा कहानी होगा. What has come back here? He said, you have been attacked, a pirate crew. This demanded cargo and other valuable guns you led by Bowman. Ajay remained calm, informed the Coast Guard and got the... Where is Coast Guard? Where is Suez Canal? Is the duty of Coast Guard to go to Suez Canal?
No, sir.
Then, so how is it related? Factually incorrect.
But sir, whenever there is a this kind of situation,
Coast Guard is only of the Indian Ocean, the nearby. It is the Navy which takes into play, not outside. Therefore, Coast Guard is supposed to be beyond that. It's the Navy. Coast Guard is only up to the territorial water, not beyond that. And you are talking about Suez Canal, with 1,000 nautical miles away. So totally, totally irrelevant. And unnecessary. एक कहानी ऐसा लिख दिया that you have surrendered. You surrendered yourself. मैंने किसी तरह से I have compromised and gone into, so you will compromise everywhere. You got no ethics, no morality. Every value, morality, ethics gets compromised.
but sir, gun point पे तो compromise करना ही पड़ेगा.
अरे that's it. You keep compromising. राय में जाओगे ना, तेरे को गोली चलेगी, तो हम कब गोली चलाते क्यों कंप्रोमाइज कर लें? गोली मत चला भाई, गोली मत चलाओ. चाइनीज आएगा ना, उसको बोल दो ना, गोली मत क्यों करना है यार, चलाना क्या बंद करो. गोली चल रही है वहां पे, गन पॉइंट, वहां तो गोली चलेगी, बॉम्ब गिरेगा, तुम्हारे दोस्त भी मरे होंगे, शायद तुमको भी चोट लग सकती है. एंड यू कंप्रोमाइज. ओके, वेरी गुड, आ जाओ चाइनीज, बैठ जाओ मेरे पास. What is this? Okay. What is that? Need is succurrence and harm avoidance. You have not even made any attempt to get out of the scenario. You are at least, you will be a crew of 8 to 10 people in a cargo. You are supposed to defend yourself. Why haven't you done it? You have not attempted. You stayed, went to the negotiation table. और वो लड़की से बात किया, ठीक है, आराम से करो, स्मार्ट हो, हैंडसम हो, आराम करो. That's the point. Okay. Need is succurrence, harm avoidance, press is aggression, and defense mechanism autistic fantasy. Again, autistic. Now look at cooperation. Can he think of group? No. How does he react to the group? Not evident. Comes near group or not evident. So कहीं पर cooperation आता है. I'm taking one own quality in each story. Cooperating with whom? You've got a group people, you've got a crew, you've got 8 to 10 people on your ship itself. You are all talking with yourself. He's only one individual. And once you negotiate a deal which did not affect the side, by the time Navy and Coast Guard, एक बार deal कर रहे हो, इसके बाद उसको पकड़ लेके जाएगा. What is your action? One inform. You as a hero, you have done one action. Inform Coast Guard and Navy. यही क्या नहीं, इसके साथ कुछ क्या?
No, sir.
खत्म हो गया काम. Okay, what is succurrence? Read this definition of succurrence.
A tendency to cry, plead, or ask for help, protection, or love. Being dependent, helpless.
Tendency to cry. You are crying. अरे आप छोड़ दो मेरे को, यहाँ मेरा कार्गो यहाँ पर पड़ा हुआ है, मेरे सब बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा, मेरे दोस्त नुकसान, रो, हाथ जोड़ के खड़े हो, बात खत्म हो गई, आगे चलो. Being dependent, helpless, perhaps capitalizing on to one's mishap to crave affection or tenderness. So these are supposed to be your succurrence. Okay. Second, what is why do you want to do harm avoidance? What do you want to press? Did it to avoid physical pain, withdraw, flee, conceal oneself from person or object who are attempting to inflict injury. Gun लेकर आए, you want to save yourself. The harm avoidance. What is defense mechanism?
Defense mechanism, aggression.
No. Harm avoidance is your आपका इसको is a harm avoidance is your defense mechanism. Yeah.
Yes.
Autistic ना, aggression is a press and autistic fantasy. आराम से बोली मेरे काम आ जाएगा. So succurrence and harm avoidance is your need, press is your aggression, and defense में क्या autistic fancy we already talked about it. सपने में देख लो मेरा काम हो जाएगा, मेरा काम हो जाएगा. Okay. Now next come here. Read the next one.
Chandan was a second termer at IMA and was completing his training rigorously. One evening, he got a call that stated the sad demise of his grandfather while in sleep due to old age. He at once came to hometown, comforted father at hospital, carried out the necessary documentation at hospital, then with brother went out and procure all necessary items for the traditional funeral. He then joined the family for completing the last rites and lighting the pyre. They then followed everything the customs demanded. At evening, he sat down with his family members and remembered how great his grandfather was. They then flew to Rameshwaram as demanded by grandfather for immersion of ashes. He then reported back to
सपना देखने की हद पार कर गए हो आप. आए में तेरे को एक दिन की छुट्टी दे देगी तो you should be very happy. And now you want to organize everything. Where? Who gave you leave? Did you run away from IMA?
No.
रन अवे ना, तो कैसे भाग गया तुम वहां पे सीधे? कहां से तुम कहां से यहाँ? क्या
लीव नहीं मिलती थी क्या सर?
भाई I'm not leaving with it. Where have you returned? How do I know? How have you gone? Who gave the permission? How many days? How did you run away? And what did you do? What was the training part of it? So what happens when the lie हो जाने कहता है मेरे ग्रैंडफादर मर गए तो मैं जाऊंगा जी घर जा रहा हूं, गोली चल रही है, पाकिस्तान का कहता है जी ठीक है वो मर गए. Pessimistic approach. What have you done? And again देखो, again तुमको शो ऑफ करने की आदत है. That's again you flew from here to Rameshwaram and now got years again. सपना देख रहा तुम लोग. How many people do it? ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये जितनी जो आपका है ना आइडियलिस्टिक दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो सब, become rooted to the ground. Sense of responsibility. How much desire does he have to handle this situation? High average या कुछ नहीं है. Does he do the job himself or pass it on? View about parents वहां पर है good sense of right or wrong, fair. Financial awareness not evident. You are just running away from रामेश्वरम से लेकर हाँ काम पैसा उड़ा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं, कोई फायदा नहीं है इस टाइप का कहानी लिखने का. What is the action? Which quality emerges? Except for being affiliated to a grandfather, so that is the social adaptability that can maximum thing can come. Any other response, any other OLQs? बताओ ना मेरे को, कहानी लिखने का मकसद होना चाहिए ना. इतना मेहनत कर लिखते हो, किसके लिखने का फायदा क्या हुआ? बोलो भाई.
Yes.
Okay, now read the next one.
Sir, after completing his night session at library for final year exams, Ram was heading back to his hostel. While crossing the deserted area of university, he heard cries for help. He at once rushed in right direction and happened to encounter a boy that is forcing himself on some girl. He with all his might overpowered the boy and rescued the girl, gave her his jacket and rushed her to health center. He then reported the matter to the authorities and also had a self-defense workshop arranged for the ladies in the campus in collaboration with his NCC unit. This helped the ladies become
now बताओ, is it a social evil or not?
Yes, sir.
Anti-social activities?
Yes, sir.
I always maintain you should not write any story with anti-social, unsocial activities.
Yes, sir. But sir,
but होता है that. Don't tell me but every day वहां पर you are in Delhi, every day something happening in your institution or outside. That doesn't matter to me. That doesn't matter to me. It is a thought process. What is behind your thought process? That is what is important. Your nurturance, you वो मदद करना चाहते हो, ठीक है. Press क्या है? Aggression, because when you will get hurt. Again, defense mechanism, altruism, that is there. Initiative. Now, is it self? You take an initiative, you went and helped them. That's okay. That's part of it. There's nothing wrong. But this plot itself, क्या एक्सेप्ट फॉर मदद करने का और क्या बोलता है, यू आर टेकिंग रिस्क, वरी वन अलोन, वर अदर पीपल ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व, कि उस रोड पर आप ही अकेले चल रहे थे, वही दोनों वहां पर बदमाशी कर रहे थे, दे वुड हैव अदर पीपल ऑल्सो ऑन द रोड, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
You know, when you are giving, so when giving life, so it is something, this had effect. I said you are put in an environment has corroded you people, so no, the real thought doesn't come into play. सोता है, ये पड़ा हुआ है, चलता है। ऐसे देखो, ऐसा है ना, जितनी जो आप लोग का ये जो समस्या है ना, I told you in advance many times long back, it is not the, it is the thought process which has to change. Whether you like it, don't like it, value, ethics, and morality, it happens and it is required. It is. We may get corroded, that's a separate issue. But once you want to get selected, it has to be shown. One such a story, you are gone. उसका कोई फायदा नहीं। Okay, next. Read it here.
Vasu had just completed his MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. He went back to his hometown to see that the toy factory owned by his father is still working on ancient apparatus and techniques that have led to slow growth. He immediately cushioned in some money from own side, applied for a loan with bank, got funded and revamped the entire inventory. They also use social media outreach to increase the sales on online front and received orders from all over India and not just from
अच्छा,
2 3
okay.
city shops nearby.
एक एक जगह आपने आई में ज्वाइन कर लिया, एक जगह आपको एनडीए का रिजल्ट मिल गया, तीसरे आप आईआईएम में ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, सपना देख रहे हो ना?
सर बट हाई एस्पिरेशन तो रखना ही पड़ेगा ना सर।
हाँ रखो, बहुत हाई स्पेस रखो ना, इट इज ग्राउंड रियलिटी, नथिंग रॉन्ग। आई सेड एवरीवन, व्हाट इज हाई एक्सप्रेशन, योर एंसेंट अप्रेंटिस टेक्निक, बाप माँ को बोलो गलत है ना, बाप ही गलत है। He is running his factory and you just joining only because you are IIM graduate, so everything has to be changed. मैनेजमेंट वाला है ना, have written on ancient apprentice and technique। वो बेवकूफ था ना जितनी बार फैक्ट्री जो स्टार्ट किया था वो था ना, और आपने क्या किया, have led to slow growth again, immediately cushion his some money from outside, from where,
फ्रॉम
some money
ओन साइड सर,
हाँ,
ओन साइड सर, उसके पास अपना पैसा था कुछ।
कहाँ से पैसा आया, बापी का पैसा होगा, कहाँ पर कमाया नहीं, कहाँ से पैसा आया उसके पास, कमाया था क्या कि बापी का पैसा लगा दिया, मैंने क्या अपने तुहार रख के एवरी मंथ लेता था उसको, कहाँ से आया पैसा उसके पास, चलिए।
सर इतनी स्मॉल डिटेल्स में मेंशन करनी पड़ेंगी एक स्टोरी में कि
एक्चुअली हाउ डू यू हैव टू गिव, जितना इसी 4 मिनट में यू हैव टू पुट दैट्स लाइक कंसाइज, क्लियर, रियलिस्टिक एंड ओरिजिनल जो संभव है। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल। आप बताओ इसमें क्या क्या मिला इसको, व्हाट इज गन, ही दे आल्सो यूज सोशल मीडिया। पहले भी आप मीडिया के वहां पर पुलिस वाले को बोला था ये मीडिया सब का ना, यहाँ पे मीडिया पे कर रहे हो, बातें कर रहे हो, मीडिया इज बिकम बज, बट सर जैसे एआई आके तो सब सोल्यूशन एआई हो जाएगा, उससे सारे तुम्हारा सोल्यूशन मीडिया का हो गया, मीडिया solve the problem. Okay, so that is not okay. So that's how this you have to start the speed or decentralized. So I have not gone beyond that. Okay, read this.
Sir, Raghav 26 was newly posted branch manager of Murar branch Bihar from RRB. He, while getting acquainted to the village, got to know that most people are either involved in agriculture or dairy farming for livelihood. He talked to the Sarpanch and got a meeting arranged with the heads of the families of the village. In that meet, he used simple language to explain various government schemes that could help them boost their gross income, such as Kisan Credit Card and Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and various other loans under PSL scheme. He also highlighted how everyone can be involved in mixed farming and how HYV seeds and subsidized fertilizers could help them. They all were really enlightened, all applied for various schemes, got it sanctioned and increased their productivity.
वो आरा कराने वाला है ना?
Yes sir.
हाँ?
Yes sir.
बता, मिक्स फार्मिंग क्या क्या करेगा वहां पर?
Sir.
आरा में बताओ मेरे को, कौन सा मिक्स फार्मिंग करोगे?
आरा में तो नहीं हो सकता सर, गांव में तो हो सकता है।
आरा के
टाउन
गांव में, आरा वहां से बगल में ही आ रहा है ना, आरा बनाए टेक केयर, गांव ही की बात कर रहा हूँ। एंड व्हाट इज योर यूज सिंपल लैंग्वेज। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? यू बिलीव, तो वहां का जो गांव वाले हैं वो को तो समझ में आती नहीं है सिंपल लैंग्वेज। क्या किया आपने? Once you
सर।
are posted to a post, was newly posted match of manager branch of Bihar, RRB, rural bank. Rural bank is supposed to be from the village oriented only. So he's thinking that he knows the people are there. They are only involved in agriculture and finance. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? What is the issue? Rural bank का मतलब क्या हुआ? Is it or not? हाँ या ना बोलो?
यस सर।
So you start thinking, think practical. सेकेंडली क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट इज डन? एक बार मीटिंग करने से क्या उसका सॉल्यूशन हो गया क्या? मिक्स फार्मिंग कौन करेगा? बैंक वाला करेगा क्या?
नहीं सर।
बैंक क्या पैसा ही देगा ना यार?
यस सर।
मिक्स फार्मिंग वो करवाएगा?
नहीं सर।
हाँ। यह होती है कि HY सीड, जो हाइब्रिड सीड का जो 12th में पढ़े, उसी को कितना दिन ढोगे तुम? जो पढ़ा हुआ 12th का पढ़ा हुआ, 10th 12th का पढ़ा हुआ, उसको तो कैरी करो, जिंदगी भर कैरी करो, हाइब्रिड सीड हाइब्रिड सीड हाइब्रिड सीड। दैट्स नॉट द सॉल्यूशन। ओल घिसे जैसा एक जो मरता घोड़े को कितने, हाउ मच फ्लॉगिंग विल यू डू? थिंक अप फ्रेश। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? व्हाट हैव यू अचीव्ड? ये एक बार मीटिंग लेने से, आपने सरपंच को बुलाकर गांव वाले से बात कर लिया, इज इट अ सॉल्यूशन? आप एज ए बैंक, व्हाट इज, यू कैन ओनली गिव द लोन, यू कैन गिव मनी अगेंस्ट द प्रोजेक्ट। सो यू हैव टू गेट द प्रोजेक्ट मेड। व्हाट आर द प्रोजेक्ट्स? हु इज गोइंग टू इन्वॉल्व द प्रोजेक्ट? हाउ मच मनी गवर्नमेंट? हाउ many people are going to get benefited? That's the job of a bank. देखो ऐसा है ना, कहानी, तुम लोग कहानी लिखने से कुछ नहीं होता है। दिस वन मैन लोन मैन फार्मर, पढ़ो आगे, रीड इट।
Charan Singh was newly elected village sarpanch and he wanted to serve at this post since the last 5 years. He had a dream of opening a school for the underprivileged kids of the village at the barren land of the village, which was used by no one but the stray animals of village. He contacted the DM, drafted and proposed a plan to the plan to him. He also emphasized why this was necessary and urgent. After convincing him, he had the funds released. He utilized every single penny for better infrastructure at the school. He had the best of the
Okay, first and
company.
foremost, is there difference between sarpanch and mukhia?
Sarpanch and Mukhia.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
what is the difference?
Sarpanch is a higher post, sir. Mukhia is smaller post.
कौन, किसने बोला? ग्राम पंचायत तो तुम लोग तो पढ़े लिखे हो आदमी हो, तुम्हें पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो तो क्या पता चलेगा। बिहार में होता है, क्या होता है? मुखिया इज द
Sarpanch.
सरपंच, इज सपोज टू ओनली नेगोशिएट, लीगल आस्पेक्ट करता है। दूसरे स्टेट में प्रपंच होता है। ओके, इवन इफ इट ग्रांटेड दैट मच, what is his action? He has only recommended a school to be constructed. Why only underprivileged? Why not others? So you want only underprivileged people to go to school. बाकी स्कूल क्या है?
Rest
बादस्तान है।
are already going, sir. That is not.
और ये गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है तो उसमें अंडर प्रदेश क्यों नहीं जा सकते थे? There has to be only one problem. Either there is school or no school. The government school or no government. So if you written there no school was there and then he wanted to catch that has to for all. Why only underprivileged?
Yes.
Why go underprivileged? And then what is the action? Except for telling the DM, ye bana do, can he construct the building? No. It has to be constructed by the contract that is given by DM. Mukhia or Sarpanch has got no role to play there. Then there has to be appointment of the teachers and also this is a process by itself. So what is your action except for recommended DM के एक करवा दो? What is your action? What is your contribution? Nothing.
सर तो सुपरविजन के अलावा तो फिर इसमें
कुछ तो नहीं है, तो फिर आपको 15 क्वालिटी कहाँ निकले? Until you act, it is even if action is by the DM, not by you. व्हाट इज योर एक्शन एक्सेप्ट फॉर राइटिंग लेटर टू हिम? एक चिट्ठी लिखने के लिए तुमको अफसर बनाएगा ना? ओके, रीड द नेक्स्ट वन.
Sir, while coming to his office, Abhijit, the sales heads of Kumar and Sons, saw a big no vacancy board hanging outside their office. He went in and spent some time thinking how could he generate more employment. After brainstorming, it clicked to him that they should expand their services at online front and not just stick to the sales in city.
तो ऑनलाइन 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 कितने बार? 3 बार आ चुका है. 3 बार आ गया ना. सारा सॉल्यूशन जैसे एआई का उसी तो सारा सॉल्यूशन ऑनलाइन पे आ गया. वेरी गुड, आगे चलो.
He drafted and proposed the plan to the CEO. After convincing him about the benefits, he had got the no vacancy boards replaced by the walking interview boards for various profiles like web developer, social media manager, and others. Many people walked in, some got selected strictly based on merit, and they
Yes, now
completely
tell me, what is the job of salesperson, sales manager?
increasing sales.
Increasing sales. Is he responsible? What is job of HR then?
Sir,
Recruitment is his domain, is it or not?
yes, sir.
So he is going beyond his duty. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Then what has he done? And what he can do? How can he afford to replace? How can he afford to get replaced by no vacancy walk-in? And who is going to pay the money? From where the money come?
सर तभी तो सीईओ को प्लान प्रपोज कर दिया
अरे
था ना.
सीओ कहाँ? सीओ का अपना प्लान ही करेगा तब तो. What is who is the hero? Except for again, everywhere throughout all the story till now, you have only recommend ऐसा कर लेना. What you have done everywhere, right from story 1 to till now. Except for talking to CEO, has he done anything more than that?
No, sir.
Is there any action on his part? Who is the hero? Is the sales manager? Yes or no? What is his action?
Sir, informing CEO.
बस. So inform करने के लिए what should you should get the परमवीर चक्र ले लो. Read the story.
Sir, Kishan, SEO of 2DAV NCC unit, was in his final year of college when he was entrusted with the responsibility of organizing the NCC Fest of their college, Pinaka 2025. He formed a team including both SDs and SWs and chalked out the flow of various competitions like Best Cadet Trophy, Tug of War, Extempore, and cultural events in which various teams would compete. He then proposed the plan to and the requirement list to ANO and PI staff. He got the required funds and paraphernalia from his unit. He then got banners printed and digitally spread all across the colleges of Delhi and invited applications of participation.
Okay.
All.
Now, out of all the story, this is only the one of the better part of the story. All. Because this what you have been doing, कॉलेज से जेएनयू में ही कर रहे हो, स्कूल में ही करता होगा. So this is the better part of it that you still requires a flow. There is again flow is missing. It's jumping. It has a sequence. It is a thematic. It's no what you call coherence. A should lead B. It is still not flowing. So it's a flow. Better part. Okay. So out of 12, there is only one story which I can think was somewhat relevant. बाकी 12-11 तो आपके माशाल्लाह है. Okay. Now let's come back to this one. W18. Read it.
Ability to influence friends for trip is necessary.
Ability to influence friends for trip is necessary. That is what? So there is a doubt into you that you got ability or not. Ability to influence friends for trip is necessary. क्या मतलब क्या? You are fun loving. And why only trip? So there is a doubt, but it puts a doubt. Would you be able to convince them or not? Fair enough. Okay, next.
Attire of officer is never clumsy.
Critical. Are you critical or not?
Truth है sir.
हाँ, ट्रूथ क्या? किसका? क्लमजी मतलब क्या होता है? गंदा है।
हाँ,
क्लमजी का मतलब क्या होता है?
ऐसे मतलब गंदा सर।
गंदा है तो गंदा दिया। ऑफिसर का ड्रेस गंदा है तो क्या होगा?
हो ही नहीं सकता सर, अफसर तो गंदा ड्रेस पहनेगा ही नहीं।
अटायर ऑफ ऑफिसर इज नेवर क्लमजी। ओके, चलो गुड, एक्सेप्टेड, यू आर राइट। आगे चलो।
Adulthood teaches many lessons.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Soldier is not afraid of death.
ओके,
Leaders accept challenges head on.
ओके,
Commander never dislikes any troopman.
ओके। देयर इज सम नेवर डिसलाइक दिस वर्ड। ये जो प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा दिस सेंस ऑफ बायस तुम्हारे में आ जाता है। दिस सेंस ऑफ बायस है।
Our word was only dislike, so
मुझे मुझे पता है। मैं बता रहा हूँ आपके दिस को साइकोलॉजी वर्ड्स रहेंगे। जस्ट वांट टू चेक बैक ओनली। डिसलाइक, हैव यू गॉट लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक और नॉट? चल ओके, बट ओके, फेयर एनफ, यू कैन अफोर्ड टू गो लॉन्ग, देयर नथिंग। आगे चलो, पढ़ो नेक्स्ट।
nature compels us to live healthy.
नेचर कंपेल्स अस टू बी हेल्दी। व्हाई? Yes, so you require course to take action.
Force
You know,
meaning
forced.
force.
You have been forced, so you will not do it. You like one thing, you're forced, you will not like to do things.
Yes, sir.
आगे नेक्स्ट पढ़ो।
Angry decisions are the wrong ones.
चलो ओके, हाँ,
Soldiers' bravery is respected by country.
ओके,
Juniors never disobey seniors.
चलो गुड, वेरी गुड। आगे चलिए, नेक्स्ट।
Country's pride is above everything.
ओके,
Everyone in India is patriotic.
ओके,
Family shapes character of individual.
ओके,
Seniors encourage juniors for great pursuits.
ओके,
Practice beats talent in wrong run.
ओके,
Practical knowledge is important than theory.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Friendship eases way of living.
चलो नेक्स्ट।
Faults are overcome by practice.
ओके, नाउ
War pride,
अगेन देखो, नाउ शेप्स करेक्टली यहाँ पर है एक जो इज रेपुटेशन ऑफ द सेम आइडिया, पहले भी आ चुका है पहले,
कौन सा सर?
है ना? होल्ड फॉल्ट आर ओवरकम बाय प्रैक्टिस। फ्रेंड्स कैसे यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इंपॉर्टेंट, यहाँ प्रैक्टिस बीट्स, ये देखो प्रैक्टिस बीट्स टैलेंट आता है ना?
यस सर।
थीम में देखो, परसेवरेंस क्या है? रेपुटेशन ऑफ द सेम थॉट, रेपुटेशन सेम थॉट।
यस सर।
ओके, आगे चलो, नथिंग रॉन्ग। चलो ओके, आगे चलो।
सर द रिपीटिशन इज इट गुड और बैड सर?
बैड।
सर वॉर क्राई मूश बोरा
भाई एक ही आइडिया पर रखती हो, गेट स्टक ओनली वन आइडिया ना।
यस सर।
हाँ चलो,
वॉर क्राई बूस्ट मोरल ऑफ सोल्जर्स.
ओके, ओके, नेक्स्ट।
एवरी प्रॉब्लम हैज अ
ओके,
सॉल्यूशन.
डन।
गर्ल्स एट इंडिया एट परफॉर्मिंग फेयरली वेल.
इसे फैक्चुअल से क्या लेन देन पावर? व्हाई शुड दैट?
गर्ल्स आ गया, अब मैं कुछ उस पे सर सोच ही नहीं पाया.
अरे तुम क्या, अब सोचो ना, तुम यहाँ पर है, गर्ल्स आर असेट्स इन द कंट्री।
सर तो फिर वो बायस हो जाएगा कि सर
देयर इज नो बात, दे आर सेड व्हाट, देयर इज नो बायस। ये नहीं, ये तो फैक्ट है, कोई फैक्ट से कोई लेन देन नहीं। चलिए नेक्स्ट,
यस.
नेक्स्ट।
लीडर्स लीड ट्रूप टू ग्लोरी.
ओके,
द ड्रैग वाज ब्लैंक सर.
हाँ तो चलो,
Purpose in life helps move forward in life.
ओके,
Humans use their intellect for innovation.
चलो,
Oath never breaks.
ओके,
There is always light after darkness.
ओके।
All questions are asked correctly with.
तो वो ये क्या कर, क्या मतलब होना?
Sir, एक
इससे कोई
second.
फायदा नहीं है। यू कैन नॉट गो डाउन। आगे चलो।
Answer correctly with preparation. Sir, projection नहीं है सर, वो preparation है.
हाँ,
Preparation है सर, वो 7th नंबर में all questions are answered correctly with preparation. Preparation.
तो आप तो विद, ओके चलते, ओके ठीक है, नेक्स्ट।
Society disapproves of loafers.
ओके,
Children always obey
ओके,
parents.
नेक्स्ट।
Desperate moves lead to no outcomes.
देखो दो चीज आ गया है, इट गिव्स मी डाउट अराउंड दैट प्रधान। दैट्स द जूनियर्स ऑलवेज ओबे देयर सीनियर्स, चिल्ड्रंस ऑलवेज ओबे पेरेंट। देयर इज अ डाउट हैज कम बैक। दिस डाउट हैज वेरी सिंपल, दैट यू विल फाइंड डिफिकल्ट टू ओबे योर
Seniors.
seniors. You will always have, though you are writing this, just बोलता है ऑनेस्टी द बेस्ट पॉलिसी लिख रहा है, लेकिन ही इज द मोस्ट डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन। वही तुम्हारा ये कंडीशन है। यू विल ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन बैक योर सीनियर्स, ये दैट यू कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम मी। सवाल तो पूछेगा ही पूछेगा, उसके बाद तू जवाब देगा, बोल तो हाँ या ना।
यस
पूछता
सर।
है नहीं पूछता है, हाँ या ना बोलना यार।
हाँ सर, पूछता हूँ।
पूछता है ना, तब हो गया। ओके चलो नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट पढ़ो जल्दी।
सर स्लाइड ही चेंज नहीं हुई सर।
डेस्परेट मूव्स लीड टू आउटकम, वही लिखा नहीं।
Desperate moves lead to no outcomes.
नेक्स्ट आगे चलो।
Unusual activities must be reported.
बिचुअल की मत, क्या फायदा है? वाई जी, क्या मतलब है ये लिखने का? व्हाट इज इट? इतना अच्छा लिख रहे हो, वाई वाई शुड वी गो डाउन इन बिटवीन?
Sir, unusual was the word, sir.
हाँ, सो अनयूजुअल एक्टिविटीज आर देयर, व्हाई यू रिपोर्टेड मनी? Unusual activity gets a break. Unusual activities or no makes us think better. So
Yes.
that's so you are 80 up to the you are going well. Why do you want to go down?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Fighting generals is an effective, healthy
Okay,
habit.
chalo, next.
Players' combined efforts win matches.
Okay, next.
Failure is stepping stone towards success.
Okay.
Better methods of dealing terrorism are being pursued.
उससे कोई फायदा नहीं, they don't write this. You have to project your quality. You don't have to praise anyone.
Yes.
आपको अपना क्वालिटी बनाना है, इससे कोई फायदा नहीं है। आगे चलो।
A person is what his friend circle is.
Okay.
Respect is earned through performance.
Very good.
Fighting is never a solution.
Okay,
to
good.
any problem. Exemplary courage is shown in the battlefield.
Okay. Next.
Every goodbye teaches us a lesson.
Okay.
Daring men write history.
Okay.
Thanks is word of appreciation used
Okay,
to
done.
teacher always motivates students
Next.
to hints help solve puzzles easily.
Okay. Don't do
Law,
that. That's so that you are dependent. हटाओ। अच्छा
sir, word
करे
ही hint था sir.
क्या?
Word ही hint था.
क्या हिंट तो हाँ।
Word was hint.
हाँ तो यू थिंक बट पता ना। सो प्रिपरेशन, हार्ड प्रिपरेशन itself is hint for solution.
Yes sir.
देखो how does देखो what is it? There this class difference in a person comes back here.
Yes sir.
ये want to normal तो normal करने पर तो क्या फायदा है तुम्हारा? आगे चलो। हाँ,
Law is enforced by police effectively.
बस आप उससे क्या फायदा हुआ? What is the fact?
Yes sir.
Next.
Unsocial elements are not welcome in society.
चलो ओके।
Money is an important aspect for living.
नो, that's again ये गलत हो गया। तो पैसा चाहिए, उड़ा हवा में उड़ेगा कैसा? हवा से जाता है ना। ग्रैंडफादर का अस्थि जाना कि जाता रामेश्वरम जाके पैसा चाहिए तेरे को। That's really gets confirmed from there. बात खत्म होगी।
Sir,
You give
word
me
was
from it।
money, sir.
क्या?
Word was money, तो
अरे
money
मत
को
हो तो मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ, उसे जोड़ दिया ना तेरे को। ग्रैंडफादर के वहां पर हवाई जो के जाता है, पैसा चाहिए, पैसे के बिना तेरा गुजारा नहीं है।
Yes sir.
हाँ चलो। So you need for money। आगे चलो। Next.
Mechanic helps in
Again, it's a
smooth
fact.
appliances.
आगे चलो।
Soldiers remain aloof with families for months.
Again, there's a sense of no. It a then if don't join services if that is the case. It's a negativity.
नहीं, but sir,
अरे उससे नेगेटिव क्यों लिखना है? इसे सोल्जर रहते हैं, सो व्हाट? विच
हाँ.
क्वालिटी? आपकी क्वालिटी दिखाना है कि सोल्जर के बारे में दिखाना है?
yes sir. Aloof के साथ sir word था वो.
सो अलूफ तब दिस इज फ्रेंड्स आर नेवर अलूफ,
Yes sir.
क्योंकि डज इट रिक्वायर थिंक, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कि सॉल्यूशन कहीं ना निकलता है ना यार, दिमाग तो खोलो।
Yes sir.
नेक्स्ट।
Batch of 2022
वेरी
was
गुड, सपना देखते रहो। Where is the use? What is it? That again, the one starts with Ram, please be careful, do not let it. You're just fluctuating. And when you go like this, fluctuation should be there like the minimum fluctuation. आप ऐसे follow ऐसे. That you can't put एक ball. I say I'm not interested in what good you've written. I catch करता, then so that gives my inkling. That's the end of it. You cannot afford to be wrong even one place. याद रखना, you cannot pass otherwise.
so is leaving those words blank a better option?
No, you have to solve it. Not more than one odd word can be left aside, which you already dragged. Jaan bukton छोड़ा है.
Yes,
You
sir.
have not left it on purpose. Not that you did not know the meaning. You knew the meaning, but you
Yes.
avoided it. आगे चलो.
Laid back approach does not go a long way.
Good. आगे चलो.
Rewards
Again,
bring
this is wrong. Reward brings recognition. नहीं. This is wrong. Again, batch of this again. Money gets it. That's wrong. Again, classical example self-reliance. No, कोई फायदा नहीं. Army never loses conquest. Probably I'll give it some sort. Okay, leaders never neglect deadlines. This is good. So overall, you are better off in WAT, and it can be made perfect if you want to do well. TAT,
Yes.
you have to improve at least 300 times. 300 times.
Yes, sir.
And it is the passing is dependent upon TAT, not on WAT.
WAT.
लोग concentrate करते हैं WAT, is the TAT which defines करते हैं system. Okay, next, read it.
While traveling by train, he went to toilet. On his return, to his seat, he found his briefcase missing. He searched
He
for
says,
it.
look, understand, I have gone through your SRT. SRT are in the right direction. Very, very right direction. Nothing great. It is a conscious domain. 5 चीज बता दिया है. It should simple past you have written informed. Very good. Number 2, adequate response. Number 3, maintain aim. Number 4, do not leave any blank. Do not leave any
Blank.
At least 55. At least 55. And become God. Become
God.
क्यों? ये कंसिस्ट डोमेन में है. जो उचित है वही लिखूं, इससे ज्यादा अनुचित नहीं लिखूंगा. अनुचित में नहीं लिखूंगा.
Yes.
ठीक है. ये 5 चीज करोगे तुम्हारे यू आर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. यू कैन सी, आई कैन सी, ही फाउंड हिज briefcase, he searched for it, found it under the adjacent seat. Continue journey. This continued journey is important. He was traveling by train. This is important. This is maintaining aim. Okay. He informed the immediate senior about the order, got clarification, delivered the task. Yes, good. That is what is there. ऐसा लिखोगे वो तुमको फेल नहीं करेगा. एंड 55 करोगे. आई थिंक यू आर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. सो आई विल नॉट लाइक टू टॉक ऑन टू दिस. सिंस यू आर राइट, आई विल नॉट लाइक टू टॉक ऑन दिस. Okay. Now let's come back to your
Self-disclosure.
read it now.
Parents. My parents believe that I am a hardworking and obedient child who is motivated to achieve his aim. They also consider me helpful as I help my mother in all household chores.
They also consider me very helpful. Okay. You इसकी कुछ as I help my mother in all houses, इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं. इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं. आगे चलो.
They always include me in all family discussions and decisions.
And I say, and they seek my advice and discussion. Okay, chalo good. Chalo okay now. They consider
They consider me adventurous as I always plan family outing wherever.
this is wrong. This is wrong. इसका तो खाली बाहर जाने से तो नहीं होता है. आगे चलो.
At the same time, they tell me to
Don't
focus
react. You say simply. And negative is they advise me to continue doing better in academics. That is it. Write on that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, bro.
Teachers. My professors believe that I am a punctual and
Now
sincere.
you're but confused. एक प्रोफेसर से स्टार्ट कर हाउस मास्टर तुम चले आते हो. उल्टा सीधा चलेगा.
इसमें
Now
मैं-
look at it. Where old quotes are there? ये प्रोफेसर से हाथ के punctual, sincere student who can be interested, responsible. एक good है. ठीक है. My class teacher appreciates my inquisitive nature. Now you have professors. You come back to school now. You come back to.
School.
So now the fluctuation हो गया ना बेटा. So you can say teachers, professor. You can say teachers, public professor at every institution. So you include one here. Professors and teachers think that I'm sincere student, and they appreciate my inquisitive nature and zeal for participating class discussion. So my PTI. So you don't write the individual. PTI appreciates my desire to improve skills and towards the rules. Towards it. Again. This respect towards the rule, this is bad. ये अपने पाँव पर कुल्हाड़ी मार लिया. Self कबूलनामा है. So you will always break rules. क्या जरूरत थी इसकी लिखने की?
Yes, sir.
My house master appreciates my quality bonding with the juniors. So when I don't where is my professors, teachers, and teachers at every places, they regard me sincere, hard and devoted. जो भी आप लिखा हुआ है, inquisitive, and bonding with bonding with seniors, and I like keep my heart. So this इसको remodify करो, इसको remodify करो. Okay. All commended my efforts. So you're just जैसे तुम you're trying to अपने आप जैसे तो एक एक्सट्रोवर्ट जो अपना बड़ाई करता है तो अपना बड़ाई कर रहा है, ज्यादा बड़ाई कर रहा है, उतना ही कर जितना कि
झेल सकते हैं.
SDT is supposed I'll take only negative aspect जो लिखते हो वो मैं लूंगा, जो पॉजिटिव लिखो से हमको कोई मतलब नहीं है. कहाँ पॉजिटिव में देखूंगा? TAT WT SRT में. यदि वहां मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं तो पॉजिटिव लूंगा. यदि नेगेटिव कुछ लिख दिया मैं कहता हूँ रूल तोड़ने वाला, खत्म हो गया, इसकी जरूरत तो प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक कबूलनामा होता है. Okay, next read it.
My friends believe that I am a go-to person for them in both happy and hard times. I always plan outdoor expeditions that are productive and take them along with me. We all are an open book to one another, and they put a great trust in me to share their family problems too. They know that I'll be standing by their side come what may, and I believe it the same. They sometimes initiate group study plans, which I actively take part in. They believe that I carry
Okay,
a
चलो,
good
fair enough. आगे चलो.
myself. I personally believe that I am an arduous student who respects all seniors and care about all juniors. I believe in. I
ये
believe
बट
that
ये रिस्पेक्ट जूनियर से चलो आगे चलो. ओके, हाँ, आई बिलीव दैट आई परफॉर्म.
fairly on ground, but need to improve my grades academically. I believe that I am working continuously to come closer to the goal of my life and fulfill expectations of parents and teachers they have from me.
फेयर इनफ. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम.
I want to become a person who is physically fit, mentally agile, and academically sound. I want to work. I want to work hard and become an asset to the society and serve the nation in any way possible. I want to become even more responsible and caring as I grow old. I want to travel more to gain new experiences. I want to give back to my school.
बाकी सब ठीक फिट है, उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, बाकी सब को नाउ. Okay, so by and large we have gone through the total system.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
Your WATs, you are there. SRT, you can manage. SDT, just improve it off. Just improve it off. Okay. TAT, you require at least big effort. Because you're passing, you're not passing, you can out of 3 technique, you can do better in other 2 technique also. Here at least 75 number तो आना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
And until you do well there, he will not give you.
Sir. In psychology test, sir, 75 marks.
Not sometimes I just say all 3 techniques, they pass marks are 90 each. So you must 240 total मिला के होना चाहिए, pass by at least 1. Pass by at least?
Yes,
and
1.
Probably if you can, if God willing, probably can still make it. So at least, I do not know how well you have done. Your G2 another aspect is not there. तुम लोग कब लगता है कि कौन मिलिट्री स्कूल से G2 depends on group discussion, group planning exercise, and the lecturate. That's the important aspect of it. बाकी G2 तुम लोग दौड़ने भागना तुम लोग ठीक हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Like it is not the thinking, it is the aim. What is your idea? That is what matters.
Yes. So, sir, in psychology test, is it 3 different marking schemes for TAT, VAT, and SRT, or the
No.
whole book is marked as?
Why? There is nothing different. You look at कहीं पर दिक्कत होता है ओवर मार्क देता है. तीनों मिला के it's a synthesis of all 3 things. It's a synthesis which is given.
Sir,
I
does
look
the
at from
interviewing officer has the psychology dossier?
क्या?
इंटरव्यूइंग अफसर के पास सर साइकोलॉजिस्ट की रिपोर्ट्स या फिर डोजियर होती हैं क्या?
कौन बोलता है? Who says? He can't. They all 3 are separate. They don't even know each other. What is happening? Only at the conference hall, that is the first time they know कि किसका नंबर काउंट कितना दे रहा है. They don't. They absolutely know. They all independent से पड़ा हुआ है. देखो तेरे साथ देखो, you are a person who can make it. There is no doubt about it. देखो पहले you become on grounder. तुम्हारा जो है ना show business खत्म करो. Even if you look at a DP, what you are showing? You are showing what? Playing a billiard. Playing it? Why are you showing that? व्हाट डज इट मीन? यू वांट टू शो टू द अनदर पर्सन वांट दैट, बंद कर। देखो ऐसा नहीं, ये जिंदगी का 2 साल बचा हुआ है तुम्हारे, उस 2 साल में अपने आप को निकाल लो। ये जो जिंदगी का ये सब चीज, ये जो फन फ्लेयर इज ओवर, नाउ यू आर एट सच ए स्टेज, आइदर यू मेक इट और यू डोंट
Break
make
it.
it. Even if you continue with your own system of your language and all, it will take, in order to mature, it will take you at least another 5 years. उससे पहले तुमको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं। Do you know that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
5 साल से पहले कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। Even if you're doing graduation, they would like to do the interpretation. What will they, that of the thing? That's a big field, but it's still again evolving field. But you require minimum 5 to 6 years of struggle still. Is there a shortcut? Get out of it. भाग जाओ. Go to other technique, other power. To jitna CRPF, just get out from the system. Because there is nothing wrong with you. You're a good person who would like to help you around there. तेरे नेचर, तेरे बहुत सारे लोग, तेरे दोस्त लोग, कमेंट लोग काफी तुम्हारे पीछे कर देते हैं. A person who is there, who is good at it, who has helped so many people around there. मैं पढ़ा हूँ तेरा कमेंट, don't worry. Who have studied in election also. हाँ, तो कभी बोला नहीं था, तो तेरे पीछे सब आ गया, तेरे सब था, ये तो वही आदमी है. हाँ. So the problem is there's nothing wrong with it. देखो, those are over. Those are, अभी आप अपने आप पर कंसंट्रेट करो. You become, you change yourself. There's a time to be ground reality. अपने आप को बचाओ, अपने आप को निकल कर become something in life. So become something in life, very more important. Is it or not?
Yes.
बाकी जो होगा, बाकी जितनी all these